How's it going, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at the Peak Design Everyday Sling. This is a 6-liter sling that is super customizable and is great for carrying all of your camera gear and oh so much more. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Peter Olawalia and I'm all about travel tech and adventure. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all of my latest videos. With that out of the way, let's get into it. So as I said before, this is the 6-liter of the Peak Design Everyday Sling. It also comes in a 3-liter version as well as a 10-liter version. For me personally, I think the 6-liter is the way to go. It's great for carrying around a mirrorless camera, a couple of lenses, and your everyday essentials, which makes it perfect for going out on a day of street photography. Starting with the outside of the bag, you can see that it is made out of durable premium materials. It is weatherproof, which makes it great for carrying around all of your expensive camera gear. You don't have to worry about any of it getting ruined in the rain when you're using this bag. All of the zippers have these really nice long pull tabs, which make it super easy to unzip and zip the bag. I also really like this small leather accent where it says Peak Design right here on the front. Moving around to the back of the bag, you can see there's this nice large handle here, which makes it super easy to pick up your bag whenever you're on the go. Now, obviously, the main way you're going to carry this bag is as a sling, and thankfully it has a really nicely padded shoulder strap right here. It feels great when it's across your chest or on your shoulder. It's super easily adjustable, and it's really easy to take on and off. You can either throw it over your shoulder like a regular sling, but there's also this nice little clasp right here, which makes it really easy to take on and off as well. It has this really neat adjustable system where there's this little latch which you can pull on to make the bag a bit longer or pull down to make the bag a bit shorter, and then it just locks back into place right there. Another feature that I really like is that all of the excess straps are hidden away in the bag. It's a little tough to see, but right in here you can see this is all of the excess strap, and it sort of tucks away into the back of the bag, which is really, really nice. This way you get to keep that nice clean look no matter how long or how short you like to keep the strap. Alright, now let's get to the inside of this bag. Let's start off with this small zip pocket up front. Now this is my one big gripe with the bag. I guess it's not that big of a gripe. My one little gripe is that this pocket feels a little useless. It's very small. I mean, I guess you could put like a wallet or your phone in here, but it's kind of awkward to access because it has this sort of lip on the front of it. Usually I keep maybe my phone in here, or right now I've got a camera strap that's inside of there as well. It's not the greatest pocket, but at least you can use it for something, I guess. Let's get into the main compartment because this is what makes the bag super special. So as you can see, this compartment is quite large and it is super customizable. You are able to move these little dividers in any way you want. So currently I have it set up pretty simply. I've got 3 even-sized pockets, but you can set them up however you prefer to set them up. Before we get into that main compartment, let's talk about some of the other areas. There's a small zippered pocket right here. You can open that up. It's really, really tiny. This is really just good for things like SD cards, maybe a card reader. If you have a smaller battery, you could throw those in there as well. Me personally, I usually just use it for SD cards and a card reader. And then coming around back here, there's a small sleeve. This fits a 11-inch tablet or a notebook or anything like that. So you could throw in an iPad, the 11-inch iPad Pro, a Kindle, whatever you like to carry around with you. Getting into the main bulk of the bag, I'll just show you guys how I have it set up. But like I said, you can kind of customize this any way you want. So in the main compartment, I've got my Sony a7C. This is my camera of choice. Currently, I'm filming on a different camera since I needed this as a display thing. And then I've got my secondary lens over here. This is a Samyang 45mm. On the other side right here, I've got my GoPro, and then hidden underneath, I've got all of my little GoPro accessories, like the batteries and the mounts and all that sort of stuff. They just kind of stay tucked away underneath there. And then I just keep my GoPro up top where it's easy to access. And as I said before, all of these things can be adjusted as you see fit, which is really nice. You can fold parts of them over if you want to put a bit more stuff in, just like that. So yeah, it's super, super customizable, which is nice. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to this bag. As I said before, it's really, really perfect for street photography for me. It's great because I'm able to carry my camera, an extra lens, a GoPro, the strap, SD cards, pretty much anything I could think of, I can fit it inside of this one bag, and it's so much more convenient than carrying around a backpack. And the main reason for that is that unlike a backpack, which you have to take on and off constantly, this you can just keep on your body, access it as you need the items, and it's really, really convenient. So as I said before, this is the 6-liter version. If you are more prone to carrying a bunch of gear, you can look into the 10-liter version. And if you're the type of person that doesn't like to carry very much stuff, there is also the 3-liter version. Anyways, that's all for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.